What are you bringing?
Dada.
Okay, it is for Dada. It's a drone. Then we have GoPro, snacks, wipes, diapers, something to lay down on, knife, insect repellent, water, adventure pack. Should we go?
No.
Yeah, you can say hi. It's just a turtle. Look at his face. Yeah. Hi, turtle. Maybe he's a little scared. Oh, it's okay, Mouse. What do you have to say, Mouse?
Up.
Up? What's up? Tall trees, actually. All around us. What? What are you showing me? Yep, the swamp. Yeah, that thing is just ready to drop. Here, want me to record you? What do you have to say? You gonna say hi?
Hi.
What are you recording? Ah, okay. Got it. Maya decided to grab the camera and start recording something. Well, let's put the snacks away at least.
No.
Yeah, we should. Drink some water.
Dada.
Inside. And then we have to do the arms. Buckle. Alright, we got the kickstand to fold. Watch your foot. I'll get the camera, don't worry. I'll get it. Am I gonna forget it? Let's grab the drone. Wanna say hi?
Hi.
What do you think, Mouse? It's pretty? Yeah, pretty. Here, let's go take a look. Baby deer? Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's a baby. Wow.
I'm dumping. They come here a lot. I dump little things for the chipmunks. I just put them under the trail that I see up here. Every once in a while there'll be 2 or 3 chipmunks underneath. So
That's really
just be
cool.
careful going up.
Yeah,
You know.
of course. Thank you.
Hello, baby.
This is Maya.
Hi, Maya.
Oh, wow.
This might be overwhelming for her, huh?
No, not this child.
Oh, good.
What do you think? We're up. Up.